Welcome in our English composition lecture. Today we are going to learn about diary writing. We all enjoy spending time with our friends. We can play with them. We can study with them. We can go out with them and spend hours talking to them. We can our good friends talk to our good friends about almost anything. We can talk to them about things that make us happy or sad, or about things that make us feel scared or embarrassed. We often feel much better after talking to our friends, but sometimes we might not be able to talk to them. They might be busy or far away from us. At such times, we can talk to our diary. So, a diary is a special notebook where we can write down our feelings. We can also write about the things that have happened to us in the day. A diary is a private book that belongs only to us. Because it is so personal, we can use informal language while writing in it. But we should still make sure that we make grammatical sense and write in full sentences. A diary entry is always written in the first person, for example, I and we. A diary entry is always written from our perspective using words like I, me, and my. A diary doesn't have a very structured format. The day and date of the entry should be written in the left hand corner. Since we are treating the diary as a friend, we should begin with a greeting. Dear diary is a good way to begin. We can now start talking about our experiences and feelings. So, let's students, here I gave you an example how that diary writing is started. Firstly, here we mention the day as well as month and the date. So here it is your own experience. You can read that. Well, I have gone and done it. Remember how I said yesterday that while you are waiting for mom to hand down her punishment, you end up doing all this good stuff to make her change a mind. It was that kind of thinking that got me in this extra trouble I am now. Means really students, here we are talking with our friend diary. Once we finish, we should remember to give an appropriate conclusion. Some examples are I can't wait to go to XYZ place again. Means here you can write your place. It was a very tiring but exciting day. Means in the conclusion you can write like this. An example of diary entry is here. This diary entry is written on the 15th April 2000. Dear diary, I don't know whether to be happy or sad. I suppose I am sad. but then I am happy. I don't know. I guess I should tell you. We are moving to China. I guessed widest thing will be adjusting to life there. Do you think they have TVs there? Shit, I can't live without neighbors. Plus, I will miss Alex so much. She's like a bestest friend in the whole wide world. What we will do? But like living in China will be so cool. I can like finally make use of my 7 years of learning Mandarin. We are living at the end of the school year. Cool. Anyways, got to go. Mom's being annoying again. Means really how we are chatting with our friend. Frankly, we are telling our all the personal things to our diary. So let's go over what we have learned about the diary entry, students. Once again, we will revise those points. A diary is a personal account of our feelings and experiences. It is written in the first person and uses informal language. We should mention the day and date in the upper left hand corner. After writing about our feelings, we need to end with an appropriate conclusion. So, I hope students you understood all the points about diary writing.